Also, we can check the tire pressure through i-TPMS app on our phone. First, scan QR code to download the app. After it's downloaded, let's go to the i-TPMS app. And then turn on the i-TPMS tool. Hit go and hit start. As we can see, the serial number has already appeared on the phone. Let's click on that. Now the phone and the tool are connected, and I'm going to show you how to activate and program the launch sensors. Hit OE query and find launch and hit that. And this is the interface of activating, programming vehicle module functions. And the process is similar to the process I've already showed you guys previously. That's all for the i-TPMS demonstration. If you have any question, please leave a message in the comments area. And please subscribe, like, and share this video if you like it. I'm Zoe, and see you next time.